Alright, this should be one of the shortest tutorials that we have here. I'm going to show you how to do the Ken Burns effect in iMovie. We're going to start out with a picture up in our project here, and when you click on it, go to our little blue button here, and we're going to go down to cropping, Ken Burns, and rotation. And you notice that we get under Ken Burns here, make sure this is the one that's highlighted, that we get a start and an end box here. The green start and the red end. Now we can move these. I can move the start one down to the corner, and then I should be able to move the end one up to the upper right corner. Now there are other ways you can move them, but this will provide a start and an end point for this effect. Now I can click done at this point, and I can come back and preview it. So I'm going to hit my space bar to play, and you can see how that moves. Now if I want to make more adjustments, I can go back to my cropping and Ken Burns here. Notice there's a little button right here next to where it says start. You can flip-flop your start and end points if you choose as well. We can do some other things. We can move them to opposite corners. Should be able to here if it'll cooperate. I think it is all the way in that corner, and then I can move the other one up here. So we do have some flexibility as far as which direction we want these things to go. One other thing that you can do is you can actually change the size of it and have it come in small and then expand as it comes across the screen. So if I click done right now and come back here to play it, notice it'll start small and it slowly expands into the full picture. So those are just a few options. There's not a lot of flexibility there, but you can work with the full-size image and just move it partway across the screen, or you can start with a very small part of the image and expand it into the full photo. And that's about it. In your tools video, you got to have one example of a photo using the Ken Burns effect, and that'll do. Just remember to click done when you're done with that. Alright, that'll do for this tutorial.